Another fine vehicle offered by Raleigh Acura, part of the Council of Sales Excellence for 2009.
This is a 2005 Acura RL. It features a 6-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a leather interior, cruise control, and steering wheel mounted controls, traction control and stability control systems, OnStar, and this vehicle has fewer than 46,000 miles on the odometer. Not to mention that this Acura qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Raleigh Acura is located at 1750 Northern Boulevard in Roslyn. As the 7-time recipient of the Precision Team Award, our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.